In the heart of Egypt's vast desert, towering monuments have silently witnessed millennia of human history. The Egyptian pyramids, among the world's most enduring marvels, are not just colossal tombs, they are remarkable testaments to human ingenuity, religious devotion, and an ancient civilization's deep understanding of astronomy, mathematics, and art. This is the true story of these incredible structures, woven through centuries of discovery and scholarship. The origins of a civilization over 4,500 years ago. During the Old Kingdom period, Egypt emerged as a unified nation under the rule of powerful pharaohs. It was during this time that the tradition of constructing monumental tombs took root. The pyramids were designed as eternal resting places for the king's symbols of divine power and gateways to the afterlife. The most famous of these is the Great Pyramid of Giza, built for Pharaoh Khufu, which remains one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Architectural mastery and labor. The construction of the pyramids was an extraordinary feat of engineering, with millions of limestone and granite blocks quarried from distant sites. Thousands of skilled workers, architects, and engineers collaborated in what can only be described as an ancient wonder of logistics. Recent archaeological discoveries, including workers' villages and detailed records, have revealed that these projects were not built by slaves, as once believed, but by a well-organized labor force who took pride in their work and contributed to a national project that glorified their civilization. Secrets encoded in stone. Every block, every passage within a pyramid was laid with purpose. The pyramids were aligned with remarkable precision to the cardinal points, reflecting an advanced knowledge of astronomy. Hieroglyphics and intricate carvings on the walls and in hidden chambers provided clues about religious rituals, the pharaoh's journey to the afterlife, and the cosmology of the ancient Egyptians. These inscriptions continue to offer valuable insights into the beliefs and practices that shaped one of history's greatest cultures. The quest for discovery. Centuries after their construction, the pyramids began to reveal their secrets to the modern world. Explorers and archaeologists, driven by curiosity and reverence for ancient history, embarked on expeditions that would change our understanding of these monuments forever. In the 19th and 20th centuries, groundbreaking discoveries such as the uncovering of hidden chambers, burial treasures, and detailed worker settlements reshaped our historical narrative. These findings underscored that the pyramids were not merely relics of a distant past, but active participants in the unfolding story of human civilization. Modern archaeology and technology. The legacy of the iconic pyramids continues to evolve and develop significantly with the advances in technology. There are several advanced technologies that have revolutionized the field of archaeology, such as 3D scanning, ground-penetrating radar, and thermal imaging, which have enabled researchers to peer beneath the surface of these ancient structures without causing any disturbance. These innovative techniques have allowed them to revealing complex internal networks and previously unknown cavities within the pyramids. Researchers have also discovered that the interior walls of the structures were made of rough-cut limestone blocks, which suggests that the techniques and materials used by ancient Egyptians were in line with their design and capabilities. With these newfound insights, the debate about the methods and technologies employed by ancient Egyptian architects has also reawakened. It is now likely that the Great Pyramids were built by more efficient methods, and with the help of a vast crew of skilled workers, rather than the old narrative of a single colossal builder. Thus, these new revelations contribute toward a more accurate understanding of the history and architecture of ancient Egypt. Cultural and global impact. The pyramids have always inspired wonder and curiosity around the globe. Their mysterious allure has influenced art, literature, and even modern engineering. They remind us of a time when humanity reached beyond the limits of the known world, harnessing the power of collective ambition and faith. Today, they continue to serve as a powerful symbol of Egypt's rich cultural heritage, attracting millions of visitors each year and inspiring generations to pursue knowledge and exploration. An enduring legacy. As the sun sets over the Giza Plateau, the pyramids stand resolute, a timeless bridge connecting the past to the present. They are monuments not only to the pharaohs who once ruled, but also to the spirit of human innovation. The true story of Egypt's pyramids is one of awe-inspiring achievement, relentless inquiry, and the enduring quest to understand our origins. Their silent echoes invite us all to explore, learn, and marvel at the capacity of human civilization to create beauty and meaning that endures through the ages.